Good night. This is my other story about repairing a laptop motherboard. See you again with me, my friend, still here in this channel from my workshop, from my dirty table. I have a story about repairing a motherboard with model X453MA mainboard. This is mainboard of the Asus laptop. The problem of this motherboard is not charging, cannot turn on. There is a line that short to the ground. I have found the short component. This is a small capacitor, SMD tantalum capacitor. Tantalum capacitor like this. I found one that short and I have replaced it, but after I replace this capacitor, the laptop still cannot turn on. This motherboard still not working, not responding when I press the power button. This is power button. Okay, the steps that I have done to fix this motherboard is actually the condition of this motherboard before I fix this is the main voltage 19 volt in normal condition, 5 volt and 3 volt in normal condition. I can see this voltage just after I plug the charger before I press the power button. The voltage at the power button here is normal appear in this leg. The voltage in this leg is normal. But I can turn on this motherboard. Okay, to fix this problem, I use a schematic that I get from the internet for free. Schematic is this. This is I use both view, not PDF file, but I think this is this schematic. I can find the trouble source of this motherboard. Okay, the first step, I will find several voltage that I have explained before. My 19 voltage, 5 voltage, that 5 voltage and 3 voltage that appear before I press the power button. In the schematic, the voltage that always on appear just after the charger plugged in. Its code is SUSO. SUSO. For example, for 3-4, the code of the voltage, the 3-4 voltage is plus 3 V SUSO. Let's find the voltage with code SUSO. Okay, this is SUSO. 1 volt plus 1.0 volt, and then 1.2 volt SUSO. Is 5 volt SUSO plus 5 V SUSO, and this is plus 12 V SUSO. I have checked this all this level voltage. For example, 1.0 V SUSO. Click this, so we can see here the point that connected directly with this voltage. This is PCH620. You can see here this red component. Zoom it. Okay, this PCH620. This is connected directly with the voltage 1.04. I check this and in normal condition. And next, check other SUSO V SUSO plus 1.2 V SUSO. Click this, so we can see here the point or and component that connected directly with this voltage. PCH712 here. This is the position. This image show us the position of these all components at the mainboard. This is the top side of mainboard. We just need to click this button to see other side of this motherboard. Okay, next, this is the PCH712 that connected directly with 1.24 SUSO, and I have checked this voltage in normal condition. Okay, next, the SUSO voltage. This is plus 5 volt SUSO connected directly with PC8135. This PC8135, and also this voltage in normal condition. Check again and I find plus 12V Asus O. I check this level voltage that connected with PC 8116. The position on the motherboard is on the mainboard is here, this red component. And after I check this voltage, I cannot see this voltage. This voltage have loss. And then I check this PC 8116 on the mainboard. Okay, let's see on the mainboard. I will show you what the problem of this. Okay, my friend, this is the PC 8116 that we can see at the schematics. We should see the voltage 12 volt at this point. But I can see this voltage on this motherboard. And then I check all the component that connected directly with this 12 volt, and I found here is, before I replace with this component, here is a diode like this. This is a diode, and here is a diode too. And then I found that the diode here has broken. I unplugged this from the motherboard using the solder, and I checked that this diode have broken. What is serious of this diode? Okay, let's see at the schematic to find the detail specification of this diode. Okay, the diode that I show you on the motherboard is this. Zoom it. This PD8102, and this is the component, the diode. The diode I mean is this, and the leg 2 of this diode connected with 12 volt Asus O. As I have explained you that 12 volt at this point is not appear, and I have checked that this diode has broken. Specification of this diode is this. You can see here Schottky but 54 SW. Okay, same with this diode, but for 54 SW. If we have the data sheet of this diode, we can see that this diode is contains of two diode like this, so we can replace this diode with two small diode as I have done to this motherboard. As you can see here, I have replaced the diode with two diode. This is diode 1 and this is the second diode. This diode replaced with these two diode. And now after I replace this, the 12 volt at this point is appear and in normal condition, and now the motherboard working well properly. Okay, so this motherboard that the main voltage 19 volt in normal condition, 3 volt in normal condition, 5 volt in normal condition, but I can turn on this motherboard caused by 12 volt that not in normal condition caused by broken diode. Oh, once again, the other problem of this motherboard that causing cannot turn on is this line. This line is broken, and I place a jumper here, so this point and this point now connected directly, and this motherboard working well. Okay, this is about my story. I'm sorry I am difficult to explain this before, you know, this this is complicated. Okay, I hope this full video will useful, and if you have the problem about this motherboard, please ask me at the comment area and I will try to help you as I can. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not. And thank you for watching. I hope this video will useful and will help you, and see you next time.